Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you are having a fantastic day. If you're new to the channel, my name is Nirenstein, and this is Vehicle Virgins. Today, I am headed down to San Diego to participate in the Targa Trophy Rally. A bunch of my buddies are rolling. I'm gonna set up a little bit early so I can get some work done and fully prepare for the carnage that's about to ensue. It's an all-German car rally, so I thought I gotta bring the E63. Let's head down to San Diego. Good morning, everyone. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. We are about to roll to the starting line of Targa Trophy. Let's go meet up with the boys. Something that ties in really well with rallies are watches. I've actually met a couple long-term friends purely because we're both wearing a similar watch. Watches do more than just tell time, ladies and gentlemen. They make a statement, they're classy, and they complete your outfit. If you're looking for a watch to elevate your game at an amazing price, I've got the one for you, and that is Vincero. Vincero makes some gorgeous looking stuff, but I don't have to tell you that. You can simply just look for yourself. For under $200, you're getting an extremely high quality timepiece that looks good, turns heads, and has a manufacturing process and quality on par of watches that cost 5 times as much. And because you are a Vehicle Virgin subscriber, I've got an exclusive link in the description below that you can't get anywhere else for 15% off Vincero watches. Make sure to check them out. They've got an awesome inventory after the video. Let's roll. I've got Spencer as my co-driver. So this rally is actually like a series of challenges. Apparently, they're gonna give us a list at the beginning with a route and a bunch of things we have to do, and in order to prove we've done it, we've got to take pictures and send it to them or post it on Instagram. I'm not really sure what it's all about, but it looks like a lot of fun. E63 looking clean as hell. These buildings are actually so sick. Good morning, where are you guys?
In our room.
We're on like cobblestone streets right now in the United States. Good morning.
What up?
Hi, Mom.
What up?
There's Alex in the M2. All right, 1 minute into the rally, we've already lost Chris in the other M2. Did he get stuck in the parking garage? What the hell was that?
Yeah, I know.
Odds this Mustang and this CLS 63 are part of the rally, I'd say 100%. Damn, this guy ran out of gas. I don't know whether, I kind of feel really bad, but like it's pretty funny to watch. About to pull up to Porsche of San Diego. That's where this meet is starting. Let's see what cars are here. At the starting grid of Targa Trophy, and the lineup is absolutely sick. Now, I thought it was like a German car focused rally, but all of a sudden there's a bunch of Huracans and 458, so maybe I should have brought Ellie, but honestly, the E63 is such an awesome rally car because it's comfortable. There's a ton of space for water and snacks, and you can charge your phone. I gotta say, this has to be one of my new favorite colors for Porsches. 991.2 GT3 in chalk. This in a manual. This dealership has an insane collection of classic Porsches. Check out this 993 Turbo. I've never even seen this color. That is absolutely stunning. Not gonna lie, that's actually a steal. Look how sick this Porsche GT3 wrap is. Not only is it cool that it's splatter paint, there's Alex and there's James, but they actually painted on it. This isn't just a graphic on the wrap itself, it's actually three-dimensional. Somebody splatter painted the car. That is so badass. I doubt this is actually going on the rally, but if someone's rallying this 300 SL Gullwing, good for you. And also, it's 4GT next to it. Damn. Here's something you don't see a lot. Noble M400. I saw this car literally 3 weeks ago, and it was 100% stock minus XPEL Stealth and the wheels, and now it's slammed to the ground. Look how cool that looks. It's on airlift suspension. Might need to do that. Oh my God.
So, about 2 years ago, on Targa Trophy run to Monterey, we were following this guy. He would fly past us, and there would be a cannonball when he lets off the throttle about this far.
No way. This is sick. It's a 911 Turbo, but I guess they've done a cup conversion, and it's also got some GT3 action on it. That looks absolutely epic. Ooh, look at the frickin' Nakaducks on the hood. I dig it. Check out this interior, guys. It's a 997 GT3 with a whole bunch of 991.2 GT3 RS style seats. Look at the headliner, the roll bar, and it even has a 4-liter motor. This rally so far seems like it has the perfect amount of cars. You want a decent amount of participants so it's a bunch of fun, but if there's too many, then it's just way too hectic. And every car I've seen so far has at least one tasteful mod. So these people know what they're doing, hopefully know how to drive really well. I'm sure they do, I'm just kidding. I still can't really get over that slammed Lambo, damn.
Dude, that diffuser.
Got the livery kit, let's put it on.
Right in front of the Targa Trophy, easy up.
This is what happens when you try to install your own livery kit and then 10 minutes in you just completely give up. Got some NOS for the rally.
I want to thank you guys all for joining us. Be safe out there today. So have a great drive, and we'll see you at the Hard Rock San Diego later this afternoon to see who is the winner of the 7th annual Targa Trophy German Car Festival.
Just lined up at the starting grid. Somehow I ended up first, which is probably not a good idea, so hopefully nobody else follows me, but look at this lineup right now. Shout out to the subscriber that came all the way from Mexico and is rocking a GT3R. Oh. Not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous, but I'm also super excited. We've got to grab a piece of paper right there to get our route. We just took a different route than everyone else to skip the first light. I'm not sure if it backfired, but we got a small crew behind us. Stuck behind this traffic. This has been a flipping blast so far. We haven't gone over the speed limit a single time. Dude, how sick is this right now?
Dude, it's crazy.
See, we got comfortable and people are catching up. That license plate, absolutely incredible views out here. Look at that, that's awesome. So far, we've had to take 2 different pictures to prove where we were on the stage and post on Instagram. The first one, we needed a roller of another participant. So of course, we took a picture of Alex's M2. The second one, we needed a picture of me in this car in front of this awesome overlook with a cross. We got that. What's the next one?
It is called the Mountain Soledad Memorial Cross, and the next one is the Cabrillo National Monument Check.
His bumper sticker says, "Warning, cowboy butts drive me nuts." What the heck? This has been so much fun so far. So we've got to go to this lighthouse up here, and he's got to take a picture of me, post it on Instagram, and then we'll head out. Okay, we just had to run to this lighthouse to take a picture by it. We're freaking
We are exhausted. I'm sweating.
I didn't know this was Targa Sprint. This is ridiculous. I think we're halfway done so far. We are the second car. The lead car is this M5, but our strategy is to tag behind it until the last minute. That way, number one. That way, we can check to see if he's going the right direction, and if it's the same direction that we think we're supposed to go, it's probably right. If not, we'll take a different direction, we'll pass him. This Cobra replica has been doing an awesome job. He's freaking kicking ass for a manual car. That boat is called the Horn Blower. I don't know why that's so funny, but it is. We totally saw the Party Whistle Z4 episode and just got some inspiration. We're stressing out a bit here, so we had to buy something from Thousand Trails Trading Post and take a picture and save the receipt. We passed this place called Thousand Trails like RV Center, and then we got on the freeway and we haven't seen a trading post since. So all of us in the front here, we got the M5 in the front, then me, then there's an M3 and that Cobra, are all confused on where this trading post is. Well, we're not sure if we're in the lead or not because we totally missed this trading post where we were supposed to buy something. We flipped around, got it, went back, and there was this one turn that it looked like every single person was missing it. So we're counting on Honey Road for freaking screwing everyone up. We know we passed Alex and Alex was going the wrong direction. All I honestly want is for me either our car to win, Alex's car to win, or Chris's car to win, because that would just be hilarious. There's like over 100 cars entered in this, and all 3 of us have to be in like the top 5 right now. So we'll see. We're looking for some road that starts with a J. I don't know, that's what we're looking for. These roads are so sick though. That's a highway patrol. Oh, never mind. We're good. These driving roads out here, I have never been like any place around here, and awesome.
A few moments later.
Look at this, we just finished the rally and check out my gas range. Literally, it won't even display how many miles are left. Yeah, it's probably not ideal that I ran my car that low, but you gotta do it to win a rally. So here's the crazy part. We were the first 3 cars there. The first car there that was like, we won. I'm 99.9% sure they didn't make one of the stops and post the picture. The other car that was there was Alex Vidrug, our friend. And we'll see. We're looking on Instagram. You had to post on Instagram under the hashtag Targa Trophy, and like they didn't post anything.
Yeah, I didn't.
So like,
we'll see.
Yeah, we may have won regardless, dude. Killer co-driver. Hell yeah. We are looking at the posts right now for hashtag Targa Trophy, and I'm like 95% sure that we actually just won. This isn't even a Targa car, but that's pretty epic. No pun intended. So we got to the finish line, which is the Hard Rock Cafe, getting some drinks, and get this, how crazy is this? So apparently, to win Targa Trophy, you actually, nice like emotions there. To win Targa Trophy, you actually have to get as close as possible to the set time. So it's not actually a race, we didn't quite understand that. These guys finished first, Alex and him and Joe, oh, that's not Joe, Joe's over there. We finished second, and then they got pulled over by the cops, chillest cop ever, who just gave them a fix-it ticket, and they got the best YouTube thumbnail of all time. So really, the fact that our 3 cars that we came with had epic stories, like, I'd say this is a success. This is a success.
San Diego?
San Diego's beautiful. I've never been on this rally before. I had an absolute blast, so thank you to the people who put this on. I paid for the rally. This isn't sponsored in any way. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.